Guys, the number one issue I see when I'm auditing client campaigns isn't anything to do with their cold email. It's that they're set up to fail by not having the correct sales assets in place. In this video, I'm going to cover the 5 main assets you need to turn your cold email campaigns from a flop into a massive success. And I'm going to be dropping videos every single week on cold email, cold outbound sales and marketing. So if you're a B2B company and this is something that interests you, make sure to subscribe and hit that bell notification so that you're first notified when I drop a video. Plus, if you have any questions, then leave it in the comment section and I will personally respond. All right, guys, so I've been teasing this video for a little while, and this is 5 assets that I personally use and recommend all my clients use for cold email success in 2023. Now, the first one here is a VSL or a video sales letter. Your landing page should have a high quality VSL that quickly explains what you do and who you do it for in around 5 minutes or less. If you can quickly convey your offer, prove your competence, and create curiosity in your prospects via a VSL, you'll increase your conversion rate massively. You should see a VSL as a virtual salesperson that take the place of a demo. If you're interested to see a VSL, then go onto my website, advancedclient.io, and you can watch my VSL and look at the way that I filmed it, look at what I'm saying, look at the structure of it, and look at the editing as well. You don't need to be just putting out random crappy VSLs using a sales doc anymore. You can put a little bit more effort into them and it doesn't cost that much to do. And this is going to increase your conversion rate. The next thing, guys, here is a landing page. Again, this may seem obvious, but I see so many B2B businesses with awful, overly complicated websites that confuse their prospect and add friction to their funnel. I see so many prospects websites, but I go onto it and I think, I literally don't know what you guys do, and it's so difficult to find out. You should have a one-page lander that quickly explains what you do, who you do it for, very briefly explains the process, improves your competency through massive social proof. There should also be a way for your prospect to find out more or book in a call with you super simply, whether that's a button, whether that's a calendar link, or whatever it is. They should be able to get on your calendar straight away. You basically want to make it as frictionless as possible for a prospect to find out who you are and book in a call with you. The next thing here is to look at a pre-call flow. Sales assets really are your best friend as a lean B2B business owner. When a prospect books in a call with you, they should receive a 3 to 4 email sequence before the call, taking them through your process, your results, and client interviews. This will warm up your prospect, build rapport, and answer questions and handle objections pre-call, making your job easier. If you're a lean B2B business owner where you don't want to hire loads of teammates, then you need to automate as much as possible. And if you can automate handling objections, if you can automate answering questions, if you can automate anything else, like a frequently asked questions section, then you're going to increase your conversion rate and you're going to make your job easier, which is overall the goal. The next one here, guys, is a long form sales letter. So use a long form sales letter as a sort of Trojan horse strategy. They should be built around a pain point that your prospect faces and then disguised as a sort of innocent value doc. So you could make a long form sales letter about how this company achieved Y by doing Z. So a common pain problem, they solved it by doing X, Y, and Z. And it should explain the major pain point, why it's bad, and then present a solution in the form of your offer, plus you're backing up with results. So look into other long form sales letters, learn about long form sales letters, and start writing them for your business. And this is for people that are a little bit further down your funnel and who are more likely to read a 3,000 word document about their specific pain point. But if their specific pain point is painful enough, then they will read about it. And if they have followed you for ages, if they have watched all your videos, they're so much more likely to engage with this content. So you're basically building content for people that are super warm and right at the bottom of your funnel and they're ready to convert. You need to create content for them. And this sort of follows on quite nicely to this last point here, which is varying length explainer videos. So you want to build out assets for prospects at different stages of your funnel. And this is a key thing. A person at the top of your funnel probably won't watch an hour-long video, but a person who's been watching your content and is deep into your funnel will. So use this information to build out videos of varying lengths to hit people at different stages of your funnel. So this could be 1-minute videos, 5-minute videos. These 5-minute videos could then go into 5 10-minute YouTube videos, which then go into 2 or 3 30-minute long videos, to a 1 hour long client interview or 1 hour long sales letter video. Build out content for various levels of the funnel, and you're going to hit people where they are in the funnel and you're going to move them down that funnel so then they overall convert and become a client for you guys. Thank you guys, and I will see you in the next video.